I opened my cat cafe so anyone could enjoy a cup of coffee while mingling with furry felines. They bring the cute and the companionship. But when things slowed down over the last year, I wanted to take these felines online in no time. I was told I should get an all-in-one e-com solution, something that had everything I need. That's Moneris Online. Creating my site was a breeze thanks to 24/7 support and Moneris Online's super helpful website builder. I barely had to lift a finger to get a website that was bred for my business. Now anyone can come visit, even if they can't make it in person. When I wanted to add a page featuring our hypoallergenic cats, all it took was a few drags and drops to get everything in place. A feat that's nothing to sneeze at. With amazing features at my fingertips, my website is more than just that. Online bookings simplify scheduling for my customers, so they can get up close with our cat cast in person or online. And now that I've introduced our blog, I'm easily able to update everyone on the newest members of our litter, what new brews we're cooking up, and when our next promotion is. Making sales online couldn't be simpler and safer. Once I've set up my secure checkout page, any item on our site is ready for purchase at any time in every popular form of payment. It's like we're open 24/7. I've even introduced e-gift cards for those last-minute gift buyers. And my customers can get their purchases however they please, like in-store, at curbside, or through delivery, thanks to integrated shipping at discounted rates. By connecting my website with social media, I'm able to sell in more places and strike up a convo with my clientele. Just another way we can keep expanding our footprint and have the customers coming back again and again. When I wanted to see how every nook and cranny of my site was performing, simplified reporting was just a click away. And it's all thanks to Moneris Online. I now have the confidence that whatever tomorrow brings, my business will always land on its feet. I mean, we're growing so much, I'm opening a second location. Moneris Online made e-commerce simple, so I could make it amazing. Go to Moneris.com/getonline to build your business website today.